What's going on, YouTube? I know it's been a minute since I made a video. Been really busy, but I just been thinking of what I want to do with my YouTube. I know the last two videos I made were pretty insane, crazy come-ups. But I'm just gonna, stick to myself, not worry about just keep posting hype stuff. And, hopefully you guys like what I find too. So I'm just gonna start posting on here too as well, like as my Instagram, of just, what I like. If I post something on my Instagram and it gets like 20 likes, I really don't care. I don't care about that. I post what I like. I don't just post, rap tees and stuff like that. I'm not saying that nothing else is wrong with that, but I just post generally what I like, and it's got me really far, and it's gotten people to like what I like too. All for sale still. I haven't really posted a lot. So if you want any of these items, hit me up on my Instagram at War Vintage. That's WAR Vintage. Really simple. So yeah, please support. So here's my first pickup of the day today. Literally the first thing I grabbed was Essential Purple Champion hoodie, made in USA, size large. I was gonna keep it, but it didn't fit me good, so yeah, that's gonna be available. This is like a 70s or 80s Georgetown University crew neck. Very cool. Size large. Probably like a medium-ish, smallish now. That's available. Not for sale. Even though it's a small, this thing is in like dead stock condition. I've never really seen a Detroit Tigers piece like this. Dated 1989. I gotta keep that one just for the hometown team. Something like that I'll always regret selling, So I'm just gonna keep dated as well, 1989. Tagged large, fits kind of medium. Pretty sweet. Wish it had a 3D emblem on it, but it is what it is. Polo Essential. Love these essentials, man. Like, this is what I'm talking about when I post what I like. Like, this is, to me, an eye catcher, and, everyone was like, only one person really was, complimented the shirt. Everyone else was like, oh, that's cool. But, this is what I like, and, it's what other people like. So if you like that type of stuff too, hit me up. These I haven't tried on, so I don't know if I'm going to keep them. They're a waist, 36 through 38. They feel kind of scrunched in. I don't know, we'll see. Got a few paint splatters. But yeah, another Central Champion piece. Pretty much dead stock condition. This one's tagged small, and it is small, and I also have another large, but that one fits small as well, so hit me up for that. Another 70s, 80s crew neck with the Champion tag. Love this tag right here. Hopefully you guys can see it. Put it in the light. I don't know.
Okay.
This cool tee. I think it's from the Olympics. I saw the Olympics down there. Australia. Double stitch, but made in Australia as well too. Just cool, vibrant colors. Very cool tee for the summer. And probably like the coolest piece that I think as well. I got this, or actually I got this last week. I don't know. I haven't really been going lately, but this is a Johnny Blaze hoodie. This is Method Man clothing brand. Method Man is one of the members of Wu-Tang. This brand really didn't last long, but I feel like if it came back, people would really like this. As you can tell, that this is a Supreme copy. If you guys comment below, I think I want it like $60 for this, but if you comment below, I'll give you this for $30 ship. So let me know, DM me what tee, the picture of it, what Supreme copy it is. And I actually just posted it today. So if you see it on my story, then you got it. And yeah, so I'm gonna be waiting on these Travis Scotts. So I'll be doing unboxing now.
Let's go. Here we go.
Like, you guys need to stop doing that, man. How do you guys feel about that? Let me know what you guys feel about that in the comment section. Letting people know at warehouses, everywhere, your neighbors know that you just got something from Nike. I don't know. I mean, it looks cool, obviously, but I just feel like it's kind of putting your item at risk of being stolen. And yeah, I don't know. But yeah, let's unbox this and review it. Alright, so we moved over here just to get a little bit of better lighting. Like I said, I'm going to be getting a better camera. Maybe like a GoPro soon. Better lighting so I can do it in my room, and I'm going to decorate it so I can have a nice backdrop to my videos. And yeah, so I'm gonna get into the shoes. Top of the box, you know, it's just brown. Under it, it's red. The wrapping of the paper is pretty sweet. It's like a pinkish color. Has the Air Jordan logo, Cactus Jack, Nike Air. Pretty sweet special. That would have been cool. I mean, like, I don't know. I wish Nike would just change it up sometimes. I know people just throw the boxes away and they're starting a new wave, or they're just putting it like in the plastic containers or whatever. But I personally would keep a nice looking box, and I would keep the shoe in there. I know people are like, well, if you keep it in there, it's gonna get damaged, it's gonna get yellow. I mean, it's whatever. That's me. If they had a cool looking box, I think Travis could have did something cool like that. They could have designed it instead of just making it brown with the Nike. But I mean, I'm not really complaining at that. That's whatever. But when I first saw this shoe, I was like, that's hideous. You know, the thing is, when you see something on the internet, it doesn't really give it no justice. You know, you really have to hold these in person. And like the thing with those new cactus plant Vapor Max, I think they look really sweet online, but people saying in person that they're ugly. You know, I thought the opposite with these, but I don't really care. I honestly, I don't care if those shoes are worth like $5,000. I would keep those. These, I don't know if I'm gonna keep or not. They are my size, perfect size 9. So if you're interested in them, let me know. It has really good quality of the leather. I can already see. This has like a suede-ish material right here. I know people were like, there's not really nothing to it. They didn't do nothing, but I think they did. I mean, obviously, you know, that's the first time they did a backward swoosh on a shoe, and it looks pretty awesome. What do you guys think if it had it, you know, upside down here too? You think that would have been kind of sweet? Because I think they should have just kept it upside down over here too. I kind of just noticed that. On the back of the shoe, has that little emblem right there, Travis Scott. I like this part. I wish this maybe could have just been like right here, like that, long ways, and maybe this like over here, like on the side. Cause I really like this right here. I like that little Cactus Jack thing right there. It also has it inside the shoe as well, in white. But yeah, my overall opinion of the shoe, it's fire in person. I mean, whatever you're gonna pay for these, they're gonna be worth it. And you know, that just goes with everything. If you want something, you pay what you want to pay. That's just with everything. With vintage clothing, you know, someone can have a shirt priced at $600, and you know, you saw one sold for $250, and you're like, dang, is that shirt only really worth $250? Don't worry about that. If you want it, and that's the only one on the market, you know, throw them off for like $450. You never know, they can take it. But buy what you want. So I know the sneaker game is really crazy right now with these prices, you know, reselling. It's really hard to get your hands on these shoes. But I mean, that's just how it goes. I wish it wasn't, so we could all just enjoy shoes like how it was back in the day. I mean, I still do. I still buy shoes, you know, my liking. You know, I'll still pay, you know, $400, $500 for a pair of shoes if I like it, though. I don't go out there doing it. Retail boys only. Like, yeah, that's it. But yeah, these are sick. Also had this little compartment right here. For if the cops pull up on you, you got a blunt in your hand. Slide that boy in there. Or something. I don't know if you don't smoke, whatever, something legal. And stash it in there. But pretty sure Travis Scott did it. That's the only reason why I said it, because you know how Travis Scott is. But yeah, overall, very cool, dope shoe. Also has, I think it's like a 3M-ish type thing right here. You can see Cactus Jack right there under the swoosh. It comes with 4 pairs of laces. Red, like a grayish, whitish, because that's not white. Like, I mean, it is white, but it looks kind of like grayish, whitish. Brown and pink. Personally, I'd go pink. The pink looks so sick on this, like really sick. So I would personally do that. But yeah, if you're size 9 and you want these, I'm selling them. DM me for the price. And thanks for watching again, guys. Follow my Instagram at warvintage. Please like and support. Like, comment, subscribe, all this type of stuff. Give me a follow on Instagram. And yeah, peace. My people out there watching, please go give me a follow. I'm almost at 10K. been going hard for about 1.5 years now, man, and that would be the biggest accomplishment ever. It would feel real good and make me even go even harder. Thank you, guys.